So a big mistake I was making earlier into my fitness journey is I'd spend so much time looking up online, okay, what are the best supplements that I can use to gain muscle, like lose fat and just like look a lot better and whatnot. And I was looking for supplements as a way to just like improve my results essentially. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. The problem is the way that it's marketed to a lot of people is people think that supplements are supposed to like replace the actual basics and fundamentals. Like they think, oh, if I take some creatine, then, I'll just gain a lot more muscle. And like it's kind of true, but it's just something that we don't fully understand. A lot of people just don't fully understand. The thing is, you have to get the basics. You have to get the fundamentals first before the supplements will actually help you. The thing that I was doing is I was looking for all these supplements, but I wasn't putting so much emphasis on the basics. The basics such as, okay, if you want to bulk up, make sure you're eating at a calorie surplus and like actually doing it consistently. Make sure that your workouts, you have the proper form, that you're in the right like rep range. You're going to failure. Make sure that you're recovering well, like you're getting adequate amount of sleeps and whatnot. But the thing is, I like knew these things, but I wasn't like focusing on it as much as I was, okay, I just want the supplements to help me. The thing is, if you want to make gains as fast as you possibly can and like do it actually effectively, you can just kind of forget right now all about the supplements. Just forget about the supplements. What you need to do is focus on the fundamentals. Once you have the fundamentals down, then you can start looking for supplements. Then you can start doing things like taking creatine and, I don't know, protein powder, your pre-workout, whatever it is. If you don't have the fundamentals down, if you're not eating at a calorie surplus, if you aren't getting in like your protein intake, if you're not like doing the workouts right, if you're like not recovering effectively, like the supplements can't actually supplement them. It's just like a add-on. Like once you have the fundamentals, yeah, sure, creatine and like the pre-workout and all that stuff, yeah, it can be an added booster, but make sure that you have the basics down first. Like this is something that I really need to emphasize because a lot of guys think that the supplements will supplement the basics, but it doesn't. This is something I had to get off my chest because it's something that just took a lot of time and energy from me that like I was wondering why I wasn't getting results, but it was literally, I just wasn't focusing on the fundamentals. I was just looking for like a pill that I could buy essentially, or like some magical powder that I could use to like improve my results when I just wasn't getting the basics down. So make sure that you get the fundamentals down. The supplements can't supplement those basics, but they can be a nice add-on. And yeah.